Hello, welcome to another video from Phace Installations. Got this very beautiful 5 Series BMW. This is a 2019 model. It's the electric version and it's in today for front and rear dash cam. Now we're going to be installing the GNET GON4. This is a 4K forward facing dash cam and 1080p for the rear. Comes with a 64GB memory card, Wi-Fi, GPS and an app, and we'll be fitting it on the front windscreen at the top and there on the rear windscreen on the back. Now as I said, this comes with an app, so if you've got an iPhone or an Android phone you can connect up to it via Wi-Fi. Look how good looking that is. That's very, very tidy, very discreet, very reliable. GNET brand is absolutely fantastic cameras. There's the very discreet rear camera. Okay, so let's get this installed and come back after the break and we'll show you what we've done. Okay, welcome back. So everything's all installed. Let's show you around the vehicle. We'll jump in the back. So there's the very discreet rear camera there. All the wiring is all neat and tidy, hidden behind the roof lining. Nothing hanging all over the dash. And if we get in the front, there you can see the forward facing camera, and again all the wiring into the roof lining. Very neat, very tidy. No cables all over the dash, plugged into a cigarette socket. It's all hardwired into the vehicle's electronics. If we walk round to the passenger side, show you from there. So that's what it looks like from the passenger side. Good colour match to the roof lining and the reverse mirror. It's got little LEDs on the front to warn people if they're looking at your car. There you go. Now it's flashing like mad because it's detected motion while the engine's switched off. Hope you like what we do. Give us a call if you want to book your vehicle in or discuss anything. Thanks for watching.